clinches with Dolph Ziggler. What a shoulder tackle. Dolph goes flying. Body slam to Miz. And now John Morrison pancaked by Otis.
Way up into the lights. Once again, watch Dolph from behind.
And a headbutt to Ziggler. And Dolph Ziggler caught by Otis.
Oh my!
The top rope to the floor. They're over the top rope. Otis called for the plate trade. Oh my God! Morrison. And now Dolph Ziggler as well.
The Strowman Express is off the rails on Friday night.
And it's Caterpillar time for Big Otis.